Hey, what's up, you guys? This is the second day of this seminar. I'm learning so much. It's a thrill experience, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. And thank you guys for holding this and creating this time to explode and pour into us. Very thrilled and elated to start taking it head on and running with it. Second day, impactful. So much downloaded, so much. So I'm just taking it one step at a time and just really, you know, thinking about the creative that we can build with this. I'm thinking about so many avenues that I can, grow my business in, but focusing on that one thing. But so much that I learned, and I'm elated to move forward and elated to continue to learn. Next day is tomorrow, so I'm very stoked to see what we will learn that day and get all them good golden nuggets. So again, my name is Cornelio Igwe. I'm looking forward to it, and let's do it.